Okay, so right now I'm rearranging my PC and my monitor once again to make room for a new piece of tech. This is a piece that I've been so excited to get. I've been really waiting for this one for a long time, so I'm really happy. I just want to get this done as fast as possible. Get that under there. Made room here. You see right now we have a 4K 60 FPS display here by Samsung. I've been using this thing for about a year now. Love it. Great for studying, for working. But I wanted to add something else to it, something with a little more kick, a little bit more excitement, I guess, for me. Don't get me wrong, 4K is great, but what I want more refresh rate. I want a higher refresh rate. I can see when the refresh rate is low, don't like it, want something better. So we're gonna make room. This is 28 inches. The screen I have is 31.5 inches. So we're gonna have a full table of monitors here in just a few minutes. Okay, this is the monitor we are adding. There we go, looks good already, doesn't it? So this is an Acer ED3 series, 1440 resolution, 144 hertz curved monitor. Box looks like a box. Let's open it up. A little tape there. Not much, not much. It's 32, technically 31.5 inch. WQHD, I guess that's just the 1440 resolution. LED, that's good. Better than a plasma TV, I guess. Let's see. There we go. Okay. Comes with DisplayPort cable, power cable, and a monitor. Let's see how we can get this out. It's always the hardest part. You never want to break something new, but they pack it in so good these days. That's not the monitor either. Okay. Actually, those were the stand. That was a stand pack down there. We're okay. We're okay. No stress, but okay. All right. User guide. Read that later. Let's take a look at this. Okay. It's the foam one. There is the monitor. Look at this beast. Which way is up, which way is down, I do not know. Set it to the side. Curved piece of styrofoam, pretty cool. Wow, that looks good already. That looks so good. That looks so good from here. Stand out. This is the part that mounts to the monitor, looks like. Wonder if it's adjustable. Doesn't look like it. Yeah, it doesn't look adjustable. That's okay. I think I'm just gonna get some monitor arms later on that can swivel and adjust and tilt. There's the base. Kind of cool. Red and black. On up here. Just push it in and should just click. No, there's a little lever here, never mind. Good thing I didn't push too hard, that little lever. There we go, it's in. Okay. This is the piece where you need a screwdriver. Let's see what I can do by hand here. All right, I got my semi-automatic assault screwdriver here. There we go, there's a flat. There we go. Okay, she's in. Let's take a look at the back here real quick. So, looks like HDMI display port, DVI, and power. A lot of plastic. Do we take this plastic off now? I think I know everybody wants me to take the plastic off now. Let's do it. Okay, up we go. Oh yeah. Much bigger. I like it has almost no bezels. That is very cool. Once the screen is on, we'll be able to see better. On the bottom there is one. Obviously they had to put their brand somewhere. Top and sides, very clean, very good looking. Base good looking. Tilt. And it tilts a little bit, not too much. It's got a little bit of tilt. Compared to my Samsung, much more tilt up and less down but more up. So, a little more tilt. You know, these barely fit on my desk too, but this just looks so good. Let's attach the power cable and the display port to the computer. So, let's turn it on, see what happens. There's the power button. Wait, let's turn this monitor on though first. Ooh. So just like my Samsung, it has a little joystick control in the back. Just have to play around with it and remember how things work, but you just push on it and it turns on. Let's see if I just put it HDMI, no. I think it's just searching on its own. Let's press the power button here. Display port, okay. Anything? Okay, this is confusing. My mouse is there. Windows is there. Display 1. So 1 has to be here. Apply. Now when my mouse moves left, there we go. Alright, I've been sitting here for a few minutes, just kind of looking back and forth, making sure everything's set up, just comparing different images on here. One thing I noticed is I am running at 60 FPS on a 144 Hz screen. So I'm going to show you how to set that into the appropriate refresh rate. So let's set out of that. We're going to go display settings. So we go advanced display settings down here. So I found the display, here it is, 1440 by 2560. Display adapter properties, monitor, screen refresh rate, 59 Hz, 144 Hz. There we go. Apply. Okay. Keep changing. Oh, this is beautiful. Compare the mouse movement there, mouse movement there. Anyway, so we have that set up. Looking at the colors, I did look at a spec sheet for both of these. The difference I can see between both of them is that this monitor, the new one, does not get as bright as my Samsung does. The Samsung one gets brighter, and I think the Samsung one has a wider range of colors. Looking at the spec sheet, confirmed that, so I did a little monitor test here. Let's go. So here's a spec sheet for this Acer. See all specs. So let's see, what am I looking at? So for one, the 4K one has a 1 millisecond response time, while the 144 Hz one has a 4 millisecond response time. Not the most exciting thing there. I was really thinking this was going to have more. So this one shows 16.7 million colors. That's the range it has. while the Samsung has a range of 1 billion colors. 1 billion colors. I don't even know 1 billion colors. Otherwise, setup looks okay. I like how this monitor looks. I think we're going to center this monitor here. Take the Samsung, flip that vertically, maybe there or even in that corner just for a reading position, and we'll be set up. So thank you for watching. If you have any questions, any comments, let me know. I'm really looking forward to hearing what you guys have to say. Very excited. If you want a monitor, these are great. These are both actually very similar in price. I think when I bought both, I bought them both on sale. Take it with a grain of salt, about $250 each. MSRP, I think these are being sold for about $350 each. So watch out for those deals. If you want to get one, if you just really need one right now, I do suggest it. If I were to suggest Acer versus Samsung, specifically these models, this 4K 60 FPS versus this 1440 and 144 Hertz, depends what you're doing. Depends what you're doing. If you are doing a lot of reading, typing, writing, more businessy type things, definitely the Samsung. If you're doing a lot more maybe content creation, watching videos, playing video games, I would go with 144 Hertz. I have used them in the past, and they work a lot better for fast action video games. They work a lot better for just browsing sometimes, kind of easier on the eyes. Only difference is that a lot of videos now are coming out 4K 60, and this is going to show it better. It's just going to look better. Even just looking at simple things right now, if I just look at, you know, the tabs on top of my Chrome there, if I compare those here to there, I can see the letters are not as sharp here as they are here. The letters are much sharper on this screen, and I like that.